Hey everyone, Derek here from Nextfriend AI. If you haven't heard of us before, we build embedded AI systems. What you're looking at here is the Nextfriend Core. The Core is a universal AI brain module designed to be embedded into almost anything. Props, products, decorations, displays, or characters, and instantly turn them into talking, responsive AI experiences. The idea is simple. You don't build AI into every product from scratch. You build the intelligence once and reuse it everywhere. The core is the brain, the body can change. At its core, this system allows a product to speak with a real AI voice, respond in real time, trigger motion or lighting, run a defined personality, and evolve over time through software updates. It doesn't see or record video, it's not a camera system, but it does listen, speak, react, and control outputs in a very deliberate, controlled way. To give you a real-world example, we took an off-the-shelf Halloween skeleton animatronic, something anyone can buy, and embedded the Nextfriend Core inside it. The result is Bone Daddy. He responds in real time, he speaks naturally, he moves when he talks, and he has a defined personality without rebuilding the skeleton itself. That's the power of a modular AI brain. Let's walk through the physical connections on the core. The core operates on the included power supply. You simply plug it in here and you're up and running. From there, the system provides a standard 5-volt output that can be used to power accessories like sensors, LEDs, or other control signals. Here are the speaker outputs. Out P is positive, out N is negative. This is a built-in amplified mono output. No external amp required. You connect a small speaker directly, and the core handles voice playback. It's designed to be loud enough for retail environments, events, and attractions. This 3-point header is for an optional motion sensor. Ground, signal, 5 volts. If connected, the core can wake up or trigger interactions when someone approaches. This is optional, the core works perfectly fine without it. This output is labeled LIG1. Think of this as constant power while active. We typically use this for LED eyes, accent lighting, or anything that should stay on while the character is active. This is where things get fun. LIG2 is synchronized to speech. When the character talks, this output activates in rhythm with the voice. In Bone Daddy, this controls the jaw motor, but it can just as easily drive lights, relays, or effects, anything you want tied directly to speech. These outputs are control signals. They are not high current motor drivers. For motors or heavier loads, you would use a relay or motor driver downstream. That's intentional. The core is a low voltage control brain, not a power supply. It handles logic and timing, while your existing power system does the heavy lifting. This is how commercial animatronics and industrial systems are typically built. It keeps the core flexible, safe, and reliable. This is what allows one core to work across dozens of different products. You're not locked into one design, you're not locked into one character. You're embedding intelligence, not rebuilding hardware. Now let's talk about the software side. This is where the core really comes to life. Every core connects to the Nextfriend dashboard. This is where creators, brands, or partners configure the personality and behavior. You can choose from multiple voices, male, female, character style, accents, different tones. This instantly changes the identity of the product without changing hardware. This is where you define who the character is. Tone, humor level, attitude, boundaries, behavior. You can even give it situational awareness. For example, knowing it's at an event, a store, or an attraction. For commercial use, you can preload information like store hours, directions, booth locations, FAQs, event schedules, safety instructions. So the product isn't just entertaining, it's actually useful. Here at Nextfriend, we've built in strong content guardrails. If someone asks inappropriate or off-topic questions, the character responds politely, redirects the conversation, and stays PG-13. That's critical for public-facing products. This is why we're different here at Nextfriend AI. This isn't seasonal, this isn't disposable, this isn't something you throw away after Halloween. The core updates, the personality evolves, the same hardware can be reused across products and years. We all know there are incredibly talented people who build amazing props, and we really love their work. We just want to give those creations a voice and some intelligence.